In this video, I am going to show you on how you can set up an SLA policy in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, click right here on Support. A drop-down menu should appear. Then, go to Admin Center. From here, go to Objects and Rules right here on the left panel. And then scroll down until you see Service Level Agreements under Business Rules. After that, simply click on Create Policy. Then add a policy name. Let's say sick leave. Add a description. Since. Then define the scope. So let's say choose whether to meet all of the following conditions, then add or meet any of the following conditions. However, by default, you should have an option to have meet all of the following conditions right here. So let's make one. Then next, after that, you can reply with metrics or not. It's up to you. So after that, save policy. Let's say one. Let's just add placeholder values for now. I simply want to show you how to do it. Then add. After that, you can add a target. Lastly, the resolution metrics. After that, save policy. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.